Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a monster friend with an art kit today. So in your kit you're going to find 2 pieces of paper, a box of crayons, a straw, some paint, and some little sticker circles that we're going to use for eyeballs. Okay? So first, you're going to take and you're going to have an adult help you open whatever color paint you want. And you're going to pour a little bit of paint, or a lot, whatever, on your little paper. If it's too thick, you can add some water to the cup. And you're going to take your straw and you're going to blow your little monster. Once you have him blown out the way you want him to be, I did one earlier so he's a little more dry, and let him dry, and then you're going to take and you're going to stick your eyeballs. You have 4 stickers for your 2 papers, so you can put 1 eye or 2 eyes or however many you want. So I'm going to give this guy 2 eyeballs. And we're going to get your crayons out. And you're going to pick whatever color you want. So you can draw some arms. And some little legs. And then you can take and make some cute little eyeballs. Whatever colors you want. You can name your little friend and then take him and stick him on the wall so you have a little buddy.